Okay, so we're showing you, I've been waiting to get this. I showed in a live stream that I did previous days, a day ago or so. This is the mesh number 2. Okay. Mesh number 2 from T-Mobile. Alright. This is not a CPO, but this is the full. This is called the TRM version 2 mesh access point white kit. Okay. It was manufactured. That's the manufacturer date already on here. It says August 8th, 2025, made in Vietnam. Okay. Okay. Software hardware is 1. I'm sure it'll update when I run it. I'm gonna run it now. Okay. And make sure it works. We still have the other mesh. They didn't send no receipt to return the other mesh. Let me show you what this looks like. So this is it right here. See? So it doesn't tell me if these ports are 2.5 because somebody said they were 2.5, and that's what it's supposed to be. So this looks just like G5AR, but it's a small version of it. And this is the wireless mesh. Okay, so we're gonna install this. I need my phone. You gotta set the phone to T-Mobile's network. Not gonna work on fiber. Oh. Here. Okay, we're still on 5. Okay. Now we're gonna have to go to the T-Live app to get this installed. Okay, it's still on there. On the live stream we did, it showed all of this. Okay. So we got the T. Okay. So we're gonna go to my Wi-Fi. It says the access point. This shows a good signal. We're going to add another access point. Boom. Now it's asking me which one I have. As you can see, you see 2 of them. We have this one here, and now we have the new one. Do you have the T-Mobile mesh points to set up? Yes. Now it's asking me which one would you like to set up? Version 1 or version 2? We're going to say version 2. Okay. Let's set up the Wi-Fi. Get it set up. Great Wi-Fi. Okay, let's go. Here is what's in the box. Wi-Fi access point, Ethernet cable, which is Cat 6. Okay. Looks good. Let's set up the mesh point. Get their mesh point set up and ready. Let's go. Okay, now we're going to power up the mesh and plug the adapter and plug it into the box. Okay, let's get that going. Now, inside here was just a bunch of papers. They don't really, well, I guess they believe people don't care what's inside this. Is it a quad core? How much RAM is in there? What are we dealing with in the processor speed? What's the whole, how the basics of it, I like to know. But they don't tell you. I keep the box from the other one. Yeah, I can show you. We have the other one as well. Boxes. That's why I never throw the boxes away, because I never know because you really don't, I mean that paying a rental fee on it. But I'm just saying. Crap. Let me see if I can get it. It's over here. So this is what the 5G one. I did show the box. Okay, so we do have this one. This is not a CPO like we got the other one they sent. almost chewed them out. And this is the 20. This was the this was 8/22/24 made in Vietnam. We got this one here. This is the first mesh. See, that's what it looks like here. And we have that access point. As you can tell, the boxes are almost the same size. But the unit's bigger. That's bigger. Alright, since I showed you that, let's get it hooked up first here. I have to get out of this maze. There's no space here because we have exercising equipment and it takes up a lot of space. And we have if you saw the previous video, we have something else going on in the background. Okay, let me connect all this stuff up here. Get this thing working. We have everything hooked up to a power conditioner. Plug this baby here. Okay, so that I'm showing a good connection here. So I'm going to plug this in the back of the G5AR, LAN port 1. I'm going to plug it into, I don't know if I can show you. Let me see if I can get the camera tilted this way. Okay. Okay, so we're going to plug, this is from the T-Mobile G5AR. I'm plugging this into LAN port number 1. I'm going to plug the cable into charge. Okay, it came on white. Now we're going to follow the setup steps. Power up the mesh. Yep, we did that. Hit next. Connect it to the gateway. Yep. Okay, next. Now it's setting up the gateway. We should get a solid green. Once it's get the solid green, then it's working. Then I'll run, and this box can go anywhere in the house. It doesn't have to go where the other one is. We don't have to connect anything. We don't have to connect the other one into it either. Because the one in the living room, the smaller one, is controlling the two access points. That's how they're plugged into it. Okay, it's setting it up, so I'm going to put this here. I should plug this into charge. Got one of these. This is 109 watt brick. Okay, I'm gonna have to do that. I put everything in the power conditioner because you want a good signal. Now we don't have the power conditioner in the other part of the house because I don't have many of those. You know, we're gonna need it for so many things. Originally, the power conditioner is for studio gear, but you can use it for network gear, and you can use it for computer gear too. So I got one for that. Okay, I'm charging up my phone. Once this is active, I can plug it. Like I said, I can plug it any place in the house, and then we'll see how it works. We can actually leave it here and see. Well, it's too close. It would have to be. I was going to put it in the master bedroom. See how it works there. Let's see if there's any outlet free there. But that's the goal. Okay? So, oh, green light. Good. It's communicating. Because the mesh system is completely wireless, and it's better than the access points. But they're expensive. The version 1 is $137 off of eBay. I don't know what version 2 costs. I'm sure it's a lot of money. But now we're paying. Well, it's a girlfriend's system. She likes T-Mobile. I have AT&T fiber. So yeah, I don't have the extender for the AT&T fiber. I don't even know if that's a mesh or what they give you. I'd have to look into that. Maybe it's mesh. It has to be something similar to that. But anyway, unfortunately, oh, what happened here? Unplug the Ethernet and power the cables and power cable, then move the mesh to a new spot. Ooh. Keep it clear, open space away from walls. I gotta keep it open space and away from walls. Like your home office. Well, I guess I could put it in the studio. Because no, because we don't really need to, because this is closest. We'll just have to put it someplace. We'll figure out someplace in the living. Oh, we can't put it next to the TV, because, because it could cause interference. So it has to go someplace different. Okay? Avoid TV, microwaves, baby monitors, other heavy appliances. Don't place it behind the wall or a large object. Okay, so it's ready. It's ready. Already connected. It's already set up. So unplug. Doesn't take that long. The first one takes longer for some reason. Okay, I got a very good signal there. Okay, so that's about it. We'll have to run some tests and let you know later. This is just unboxing, hooking it up, and that's pretty much it. So again, here it is. And that's all it is. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching. And I'll let you know in another video what the results is and the testing and everything, okay? It's kind of early in the morning, so you got a lot of videos this week. And that's another thing. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. We're trying to hit 1,000. We have less than 400 of you that need to hit that subscribe button. Get us up to 1,000. More videos are coming, okay? And I'm here to help you. I have a lot of experience. And I was a network admin. I was telling chat, my background. I was a network admin for almost 10 years with one company. Yeah, Windows. It's Windows. Okay. Also, I know Android, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, Mac OS as well. Well, we'll talk about that another time. Right now, this is about the mesh version number 2. Okay? With T-Mobile. Still don't know if these are like they're supposed to be. These are supposed to be 2.5, but there's no markings in the back. And if they were, then I guess it would be. We don't know. We'll see what happens. And it should be, because you're handling a lot of data. So far, tests show, if you watch the live stream, we got over 3,800 on the receiving link from this unit here from from Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 7. Okay, this is 6 radio band. This handles all the way up to that, where the other one does not. So if the T-Mobile store gives you mesh version 1, this is the mesh you're supposed to have, not version 1. And that's kind of wrong on them to do so. because look what you want the best speed possible. Okay. As for external antennas and all that, the best advice for you all, if you have an attic, put the main unit in the attic. That's up to you now. You take a risk by doing this. We don't need this cable for this. Just plug it in. Okay, that's up to you to do that. I might put this in the attic, but right now, this is where this window, over the block, over the 6 lanes, that's 3, 3, 3, that's where the antenna is. That's where they put the new antenna. It's only the new, the antenna tower, it's only 10 feet in the air. Okay, that's what they're using. So I'm in plain sight of it. Now if we go higher in the attic and turn it that way, I'll be really there, They'll be above the houses and the trees and stuff like that. But, it's not that bad. I mean, the closer you are to it, the better the signal is going to be. Right? Right. So that's how you have to think about it. If you're in a skyscraper, you guys got it made. Alright? Take care. Help the channel. Hit that subscribe button, okay? Again, I'm trying to hit 1,000. We need less than 400 of you, okay? Thank you very much. Thank you, dude. Alright? And you can, if you want to, become a member. There's 2 member levels, but the highest level, you see the higher quality of things that I do. Okay? I show it all. And tell it all, too. Alright, take care. Bye for now.